It's so big, honey.
God, that's huge.
So big. The red stay inside here like
the
that.
red's in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
They kill the chicken, the duck, honey.
there's so many of them.
Yeah. They'll think Here too.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
We need to kill them.
yeah.
There's a lot. They're probably all the way around. A rat trap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to buy something from put on some food and
Yeah. Like
some
cheese?
Yeah.
Like in the cartoon.
Yeah.
The cheese
Yes.
on the trap, we wait. Chong!
Yeah,
No more rat.
Yeah, yes.
The next ducklings, I don't want them to be dinner for the rat. The next ducklings, they live, they grow, they have happy life. They don't become dinner for the rat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a rat trap there. He goes in, grabs that, and shut. Ah, I see. But, yeah. Yeah, he's alive in there. Oh, okay, yeah, and dung, and kill. Yeah. I like that. Dung, done. The other thing is to make the houses more rat-proof.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
You make the rat-proof with better, like not chicken wire because they can get their head in.
Yeah.
You buy other strong nylon, tough stuff that rats can't get through to go around the cage so they can't get in.
Yes.
So you set some traps for stupid ones, and the smart ones that try to get in, they can't because of the special caging. Just extra, like not chicken wire, like open like this, but fine that they can't get in.
Yes.
And we dig down a bit and make a base there where they can't dig in.
Yeah.
And that's where the babies stay.
Yeah.
Protected in there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Like we can trap a few and kill a few, but we can't kill all of them. There'll always be rats.
Yeah, we cannot kill all the rats,
No.
but we can keep
We can
a
stop.
tail.
Yeah, and we'll look at maybe tomorrow on the weekend to get netting to go around one area that we lock the baby ducks in at night and they're safe.
Yeah.
So the rat can't get in there.
Yeah.
What's that duck?
The red bag.
Oh, the rat. The rat bite? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Ow.
She put on medicine.
Medicine and he's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So even that size. I think they know we're talking about them. Look.
Put on the water inside when he come out.
Now?
Keep, yes.
Yeah.
They do now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they put that, yeah.
You go this way, honey, this way.
No, I go around this way and down here. Nothing yet. Now, it may appear that I'm going to war with the rats, but I'm not. I'm just trying to control it all. But we may take the battle up to them. But as an Australian, I'm a bit nervous about that. Because in 1932, the Australian Army declared war on 20,000 emus. They'd invaded some farmland and things like that and decided, we'll call the army out to get rid of them. And the emus won. They were too quick. They escaped all the ammunition. We ran out of ammunition and gave up. So emus won, Australian Army 0. So I'm not confident of going to war with these little beasts, but I can set up a good perimeter, maybe some protection, a few traps for the odd rat that might be stupid enough to get caught, and protect the little ones. That's what it's all about, protecting the little ones and growing. Yep. Oh, did you know a group of rats is known as a parliament of rats? Sorry, that's not actually true. It's actually a mischief of rats, but I think it should be more called a parliament of rats. I think that makes more sense.
So many home rats. You see,
a lot in there. Okay.
Oh, why we eat the duck? Oh, that.
So I wonder if there's any ducks left.
You see?
Wow.
You see?
Yep.
Not so many here, but only over
All
there.
mainly on the other side, not so many here.
Yeah.
Good, more on one side. That's good.